Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Now click on Emergency Contacts and choose Add Member over here. Following that, tap on the contact that you wish to add and click on Done at the bottom. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. As you can see, after that, my contacts were successfully added. In order to delete one of them, hold the chosen one and tap on Remove at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!